Hello and welcome to this new video from ZANA Motorcycles. Today we're talking saddle stays. Parked here right next to me is the KTM Adventure 2025 with the Roadster saddle stays. The Roadster saddle stays, as the name suggests, was designed for the Roadster bag. The Roadster itself is a bag that is very easy to install on this saddle stay, and in case you have an extra load or if you want to overload your motorcycle bag, you can use the clamps as shown. But coming back to the saddle stays, this stay allows you to mount the Roadster like I just said, plus other bags as well, the universal ones which have the overlapping belts. You can use those bags as well on this one. Now what makes this saddle stay stand out as a special feature, starting from point number 1, is the availability of these OEM grab rails. Now these OEM grab rails, like I say, they are available on this motorcycle from the factory itself. It's a wide structure, very well spaced, and the pillion can really grab these grab rails very easily and for absolute comfort and convenience. So at ZANA, we decided that we will not let go of these grab rails in the name of passenger comfort or pillion comfort. So the stays, as visible, are mounted below these grab rails, giving you this spot in the space on the chassis. The stays, as visible, are mounted at 4 points. 1, right under the grab rail. 2, right under the tail tidy. 3, at the connecting rod in the back. And 4, at the foot peg for the pillion. Now what does this give us? It gives us absolute unshakable stability. Now why do we insist on this unshakable stability? The stability not only enables your bike to distribute the load over a long number of points. So for example, the load is being shared at point number 1, 2, 3 and 4, which in turn reduces the load on the chassis and on your saddle stays. Now what does that mean? It means your saddle stays are not prone to giving up in case of extreme off-roading or extreme overloading. Now the good thing about the 390 here, the Adventure, is that the exhaust is down below. So you can really use this space to mount pannier boxes as well. A similar set of saddle stays without this jerry can mount is available from ZANA for aluminium panniers as well. So coming back, first priority was given to the OEM grab rails. Second priority was given to the strength of the frame structure itself, distributing the load. Third feature is the fact that you can add additional jerry cans for your additional petrol in case of your trip. So these 4 holes, as provided here on this mount, enable you to do that. And lastly, what I must say, these saddle stays are so strong that they act like protectors or guards for the tail section. So what I mean by that is, in case of a fall, a crash guard will obviously do its job. But what if the bike falls on uneven surface near the tail section? So these frames act like guards on their own. Something that has been told to us by very many riders. So by that I mean, during the Polar Odyssey from Alaska to the South Pole of the Earth, 50,000 grueling kilometers, a similar style of saddle stays was used on Domina. And the riders thanked ZANA for a design in which the motorcycles had a number of falls and an accident, and the bike, the tail section, came out shining without damage. More so, many riders have reported similar outcomes helped by the saddle stays in case of black ice, in hilly regions, in winters, when the bikes have fallen right on tarmac and the bikes were picked up and were happy to go with all the tail section intact. So to sum it up, these saddle stays, as designed, the Roadster series, have the following features. Riders have come up and told us that these connecting rods not only added a lot of rigidity, that they could lift their motorcycles like this out of a scary situation. Thank you for watching this little video on the stays by ZANA, shown here on the KTM 390 Adventure 2025.